Samsung just released the Galaxy S24 and it's doing really well, but people are already talking about the Galaxy S25. The S-series phones from Samsung have looked pretty much the same since 2021's Galaxy S21. They've made small changes, but the design hasn't really changed much. Some rumors are saying Samsung wants to shake things up with the S25 by giving it a whole new look. A well-known South Korean tipster named Use1122 claims to have insider information from sources within the company about the upcoming Galaxy S25. According to them, the S25 will have a noticeably different appearance compared to the S24. They also mentioned that there will be significant changes to the concept of the Galaxy S25 series, which likely means alterations to the phone's hardware. According to the leaker, the base model of the Galaxy S25 will reportedly get larger, going from a 6.2-inch screen size to 6.36 inches. This is the only specific detail provided by the leaker at this time. Samsung's decision to increase the size of the base model for the Galaxy S25 might have been influenced by rumors surrounding the iPhone 16 Pro, which is also rumored to be transitioning from a 6.1-inch to a 6.3-inch display. However, this move could be met with disapproval from those who prefer smaller, more compact phones as there aren't many flagship options available with smaller screens. We were already anticipating Samsung to give the Galaxy S25 family a fresh design overhaul. A report from late 2023 suggested that Samsung had assigned its design team leader, who previously worked at Mercedes-Benz as a designer, to revamp the appearance of the series. Some rumors suggest that both the Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus will no longer use the current Samsung-made GN3 sensor, opting instead for a Sony sensor. While this move might affect Samsung's own unit that manufactures smartphone cameras, the company appears prepared for any setbacks. This indicates that the South Korean giant is prepared to go to great lengths to ensure that the Galaxy S25 stands out as the best phone in its class. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra along with some base and plus models, might offer higher speed capabilities compared to the A18 chip rumored to be used in the iPhone 16. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.